yesterday turned out to be a very, very good day for crypto. And in fact, we got our crypto warning shot. And I want to talk to you guys about exactly what I mean. We're trying to get back on pace here. We are trying to have BTC do something it's historically done. And frankly, ADA is going along for the ride right now. We had a nice surge to the upside, guys. Yesterday's candle, 8.5%. That's a nice size candle for ADA. We got back into our opportunity box. We've corrected and come down below here. Everything's kind of corrected over the last 12 hours. You guys can see ADA down about 2.5%. BTC, same thing as well. Nice 11% day. I don't even know the last time we saw a BTC single day of 11%. That's a massive candle, guys. And we actually came up, breached our 20-day moving average, hit our 50 and our 100, got rejected, came back down. And so right now, that was the big warning. And we got a lot of help from institutional money. $194 million added yesterday. Not surprising at all. They've been buying the dip very heavily. You guys can see what the flows have looked like. A little bit of an Ethereum outflow day. That kind of is what it is. And yesterday, frankly, we dealt with some major short liquidations. There was another single entity that got liquidated for like $12 million. So we again got to this point where the shorts were pushing too far. I've said this many times, right? You push too far, you get liquidated, we start moving back to the upside. The market makers will make it happen. They make it happen time and time again. And now as we're looking at these charts in terms of BTC, you can see we're trying to get back towards the top end of this trend here. We're trying to break through those moving averages, trying to get back on the bullish side of things. But really the reason why this was the crypto warning shot is BTC is trying to get back on trend with this bull market support band. All right. So this is our 20-week moving average. If you guys have heard me reference this before, there is something that is held up throughout market cycles, and that is that BTC does not like to break below and close a weekly candle below this 20-week moving average outside of black swan events. All right, this dates back cycle after cycle after cycle. You guys can take a look back and see, it took China's banning Bitcoin for us to drop back in 2021. We saw the COVID crash back here in 2020. We had the Egypt conflict back in I believe it was 2016, somewhere back in there. Anyways, I'm not going to dig for it right now. But what we experienced the last couple of weeks here was a couple black swan events, right? Just events essentially compounding on top of each other. All right. Back here, we obviously dealt with the German government selling. We dealt with Mt. Gox moving coins. We dealt with the U.S. government moving coins. We dealt with minor capitulation, right? A lot of basically massive selling hitting the market that kind of came unexpectedly. Then here we had talks of a recession. We had possible escalations abroad from the Iran-Israel conflict. We had the Japanese stock market crash, like a lot of stuff snowballing and setting us below and closing our weekly candle below this 20-week moving average. Now, it might be kind of tough to see, but I want you to look at how massive this weekly candle has been in terms of BTC. Guys, this is actually a 26% move, or I'm sorry, 23% move. Got ahead of myself. 23% move just from the bottom of this candle to where we're at currently. And right now, we're trying to get back and breach this 62K range again. BTC will get past this range. And guess what? This is good for the rest of the crypto market. When BTC tries to make these moves and closes candles above here and gets kind of back on track with where we're headed to, this is something that's very positive for ADA. All right. Now, we're not out of the woods yet. Okay. And this isn't, to spread fear or anything like that. Know that we still need to make some bigger moves as the overall crypto market. Now, the great news that I have to say is that if we keep seeing a lot of the same things, institutional money buying, if we keep seeing shorts pressing too hard, all these things that have gotten us from the bottom of this candle to where we're at now, these are the things that will continue to move the market up, creating more optimism, making people freer with their money. A lot of people have been playing this pretty close to the vest, but don't be surprised if we start making some big moves again. If you see BTC start testing the top of its trend, if ADA starts making some bigger moves and really pushing back towards that 40-cent range that we got comfortable with. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.